AI and automation have become an integral part of every enterprise digital transformation. RPA surveys and studies done by leading analyst firms and consulting firms clearly indicate thousands of enterprises around the world have embarked on automation initiatives. Over 50% of enterprises who have embraced automation believe intelligent automation will be a game changer. It has also become clear that the holy grail of automation is a world where both human and digital workforce will coexist, working seamlessly in delivering value. With this backdrop, it is important to recognize automation is going to be a long journey involving many technologies, not just RPA.